I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
What's next after the convention? Like, all right, we threw this. 200 people came. That's a dub, but really, when I'm counting up, it's an L. How you bouncing back from?
Well,
that?
first off, my business partner, I'm not even going to get into it, but he folded on me crazy.
Shit.
That's a big reason why I actually took a loss on the event, because we were supposed to split the money from the event 50-50. But at the end of the event, he tried to play something along the lines of like, oh, well, I need to take the other 50 because of the work I put in or something like that. So it's not that he took all the money,
right.
but he really tried to like, and he was older than me. And like he had been an entrepreneur for longer than me. So he tried to do the whole big dog thing. So, yeah. But anyways, after that, I said I was hungry, but it really hurt me, bro. I took a break. Like, I definitely took a break. I was like, okay, I'm still kind of young. Like, I just want to, like, live my life. So I probably started playing a lot more video games. I played basketball. I was really bad at that. But, I just hung out with my friends. Like, I enjoyed some high school. Yeah.
That's what's up.
But as I got closer to graduation, I hadn't had any money. I only worked one job ever in my life, and it was when I was a senior in high school. I had no money. I wasn't working in business anymore because, like, I took a break from that. And I was, like, in desperation mode. Like, I need some money. So my mom, she hooked me up with a job, and that made me realize that was not the path. Yeah, I lasted a week.
What was the job?
I was a busboy.
How'd you quit?
I just stopped going.
That's